We pretty much know now what makes the perfect Range Rover Sport. It's the colour, it's the spec, and this has got both of those things. Fuji White, full Land Rover factory black pack, 23-inch wheels, sliding roof. On a 23, this has done 6,000 miles. Then we talk about the price. Currently around 10 grand under list price. Car's physically in our showroom. You know, it looks amazing. It's in a new order. Get this car secured, because last week we had exactly the same one. We sold it straight away. This one will be no different because it's got those key ingredients. It's got the full black pack, black roof. How nice does it look? Black mirrors, inserts around the car. Then this is the biggest selling factor of all these sports, the 23-inch wheels, black braking calipers. Now, I think Land Rover actually currently put a stop to those 23-inch wheels in that design. I don't think you can get them. You'll also see side steps and mud flaps on this car, so it's got everything, but I love that two-tone accent to this car. And what I mean by that is black roof, privacy glass, black wheels, steps. So you've got black, white, black around the car. It looks fantastic. At the rear, black boot finisher, black badges, black diffuser at the bottom. So that theme around the car continues. And that will sell us this vehicle along with the wheels. You know, it's what people want. We've got air suspension, we've got electric seat fold there, we've got powered boot, we've got lots of space, an abundance of practical space in these Range Rover Sports. Well, this is a D300 Dynamic SE, 300 brake horsepower, full leather interior, Meridian sound, heated front and rear seats. Look up, because the next most important thing is that, the sliding glass roof. But then, in these Sport, the Dynamic SE, you get so much in the specification. Keyless entry, electric memory seats, this lovely Meridian sound system, full Napa leather sport seat, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel, blind spot assist. There's so much going for it. Plus it's 300 brake horsepower. It drives incredibly well. For the money at the moment, you can't buy a better four-wheel drive than one of these, especially when it looks so good like this one does. Black Range Rover badging, the black accents throughout, LED lights. It's just a stunner. It really, really is. And then, you know, when you jump in this, it's, you know, it just, you get a, when you sit in the car, it feels incredible. Anyone who's got one of these cars would probably advocate that, you know. The finishes inside are just outstanding. This sort of brushed chrome work throughout the door into the center of the car works really well. Heated steering wheel, lovely sports steering wheel, Napa leather center. It's just, everything feels premium, feels luxury. It's absolutely outstanding jumping in one of these. Full switchable digital interface behind the steering wheel, massive interface in the center of the dash with Pivi Pro, which means that we've got everything you'd want in a modern car. Reversing camera, 360 camera, 3D camera. Very, very easy and straightforward to use the full system. And then we've got smartphone integration, wireless smartphone integration, all your four-wheel drive settings, Bluetooth, navigation. Of course, you can use all your phone's interface through the car, which works seamlessly and really integrates well into your daily driving. Heated front seat, climate control, all digitalized. We've obviously got air suspension, so if I go into the vehicle setting on the screen here, you can see we can then go to ride height, raise and lower the car. It's just fantastic car, fantastic price. Interior options are brilliant, but the exterior look is even better. And then, you know, under the list price of a car that, if you go into the dealer, very, very difficult to get, but it's just a great car. And we've sold so many of these cars, we know how to sell them, we know which ones to buy, which ones are going to sell fast. And just in a package, this is what's going to sell fast. So be quick. My name's Richard. Call me on the number on the screen. Thanks for watching.